Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to discuss how you can extract information from documents. Many times in our business, we have need when we need to extract information from a particular document, from a particular PDF. And if you are going to use a developer to extract information from those PDF or document, it's a time taking process and you have to invest a lot of money. And that is what we will see in this video, how you can create your own AI model to extract information from document. So my friend, what you can do is you can use Power Automate by Microsoft 365, by Microsoft Power Platforms. And if you don't know how to use Power Platform, I already created multiple videos. Go and watch it. You will have the clear idea how you can use Power Automate for your business process automation. So let me share my screen. And here you can see once you log in microsoftoffice.com, click on App Launcher, and there you can see Power Automate. My friend, once you will click on Power Automate, it will take you on a page that is Power Automate homepage, and there you can see more button, and there you will find AI Hub. Pin it. Once you will pin, it will visible in your left menu. If it is not visible, you have to click on more and pin it. Once you will pin, click on AI Hub. It will take you on a AI page from where you can create your own AI models. Yeah, it's right. From here, you can create your own AI models based on your business requirement. You can see three tiles here: AI models, AI prompts, and document automation. So I'm going to select AI models because we are going to create a custom AI model to extract information from document. And here you can see we have a tile extract custom information from documents, and that is what we are going to select. Select this. Once you will select, you can see it's already showing you how it is trained and how you can use this model to extract information from document. And at the right bottom side you can see custom create custom model. Click on this particular link. It will take you on a page where you will train your own AI model based on your documents. So my friend, it will take few seconds, and after that you can see this page is ready. The first step is to select your document. My friend, we have three types. The first type is structured document. When your document is in a structured format, for example, many times we have a document that is quite structured, like government documents or your certificates or something which is already structured. In that case, you can use structured document. In case when your document is not structured, sometimes you have information on your first page, sometimes you have information on last page. So in that case you will use unstructured document. The limitation with unstructured document is only English language is supported. In case when you need to extract information from invoices, purchase orders, sales, and quotations, you can select invoice type because this type is quite fixed. We know that uh, we mostly know about the fields we need to extract. So in that case, you don't have to train your model because AI is already trained enough to extract information from invoices, purchase orders, sales, and you will automatically get all those fields from that particular document. So I will select structured document because I'm going to train my model to extract information from resumes. So I will click on next, and here you need to add the field. I will add name field because I want to extract name from that particular document. Then I will add another field that is skills, and then I will add one more field that is experiences. So I will take experience, and then so I created three fields here. That is what I want to extract from those documents. If you want more, you can add more field here based on your requirement, based on the name of your field. That is what you can create here, like 20 fields or 30 fields. What is you are looking for to extract information from those documents. So I already added three of them. Then I will click on next. Here, my friend, you need to upload the document collections. Like you can create multiple collections and train your document. Here I'm going to use collection 1, and once you will click on collection 1, here you need to add documents. So I will click on add document and then my device, and I will select these resumes which I have. And one more thing, at least you need 5 documents. So whenever you are going to train a model, at least uh, you need 5 type of formats from which you want to extract from which you can train your on which you can train your model. So better, whenever you are going to train a model, collect 5 documents, and that is what you will upload here. So I uploaded 5 documents. It's uploaded, done, and now I will click on next. And on this page, my friend, you need to tag all those fields in those documents from where you want to extract information. For example, I selected first document. I will mark it like this, and then I will tag name. Then I will extract information from this portion and tag as experience, and then I will extract information from this portion and tag with skills. So I already tagged all those fields in this document. You can see name, skill, and experience. Now I will move to the next page, next document. Again I will do same thing. I will tag with name, I will tag with experience, and then I will tag with skills. So now I extracted all these three fields and ready to move next. Then again I will extract name from here, and also try to extract only the space from where you can extract information. Don't select here and there or other wide spaces. I will select this part. So now you can see, then I will select skill part and tag with the skill. So you can see this is how it's extracting information from these documents. Then I will select this one, tag with name, experience, tag with experience, and then I will extract information from a skill and I will tag with skill. Again the same process, name, experience, and skill. Now it's ready. I already tagged all those 5 documents. Now I will click on next, and my model is ready for train. You can see train button here. So I will click on train, and it will take few seconds, and after that my model will be ready to use. So you can see, uh, 7 seconds ago I will rename it. So it is getting trained. It will take few seconds, and then I can use this model. So I will just wait for a few seconds. Training. I will refresh. So my friend, if you have more documents, it will take more time. I just trained with 5 documents. Now it is trained. What I will do is I will go here and rename it, edit model. So you can go here again, you can edit this model. If you want to add one more document or two more document, or you want to remove one or two document. That is what you can do in edit model. So now it's ready. I will rename it, extract information from a resume. So you can see, we'll go back again, next, next, train, go to the detail page, and now you can see here it's showing that how accurate it is. The more document you will train, accuracy will increase. That is what it's showing here. So training, it will take few seconds and then it will be ready, but we can test from here. So I will go upload a particular document. I will upload this document. It will take few seconds, and after that I can see all those information which I want to extract from this particular document. You can see name here, you can see experience, and you can see skills. So that is what I wanted to extract from this document. So this is how, my friend, you can create your own model and extract information from that particular document. I will also explain how you can use these AI models in your business process using Power Automate in next video. So be in touch, watch my videos how you can improve your business process automation with Power Automate and Microsoft tools. So this is Sandeep Misra signing out till we meet again.